What are you doing exactly 1 hour from now?
Driving carefully and correctly.
Why are you driving carefully and
Because I'm doing my test for the second time.
Yeah, well, doesn't matter. I passed my test second time at all of my tests. There we go. Move away when ready, please. If you're going to make a mistake, do it now, okay? This is your opportunity to make a bit of a boo-boo, okay?
Yeah.
You're going to do it, get it out of the way and done now.
Why am I putting the cluster on to do the indicator? Look, I'm not doing too good this morning by the looks of it.
I see you're getting them out of the way.
Yeah. I don't like it when you're being like this, it's just scary.
Wait a second. Floor it. Floor it. Floor it. Indicate right. You've got to get that speed up now as fast. Floor it, 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 floor it.
I'm scared.
Up into third gear. Stay here. That's it. Into third gear. And watch that guy. He's off. He's off. He's off. And back on the gas.
Oh my god, oh my god.
That's it.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you everybody.
Cancel
thank
indicator.
You. Sorry for that. For God's
Up
sake.
into fourth gear. Comment below. Below your comment. Comment below. Likey likey.
What are we commenting?
We're
Do you
commenting.
like my eyelashes?
I love your eyelashes.
Tell me if you like my eyelashes in the comments. Because they're like really cheap ones, but they look good, huh?
Off the brake, tiny little bit of gas, just hold down the bike point, a little bit more gas, hold down the bike point, a little bit more gas. Look at that.
Yes.
That's how you do it, yeah?
Turn right.
You didn't have to do a hill start again.
No.
Start preparing for it. That was good.
Not rocket science, eh?
So you didn't have to do a hill start, did you?
After 80 yards, turn right.
Shit, I didn't indicate.
So Envis, if you wasn't doing your driving test today, what would you be doing?
Probably still be in bed, mate, because it's 8 AM when I'm doing my test.
Can you tell me where you top up the brake fluid on this vehicle, please?
No. Or any vehicle for that matter. I thought it was just like in there. Go on to the top of the hill, you can do it.
You can indeed, especially in second gear, screaming the bollocks off the engine.
Yeah.
Stay in your fudging lane.
Yeah. That would be a good idea, wouldn't it?
It would. Before.
So
That's a new one on me.
I love that.
That's beautiful. I'm gobsmacked.
That's so cute.
That's brilliant. Whoever did that, congratulations, well done.
I like little roads like this.
Me too.
I feel like you're getting hugged by the trees.
If it's a 60 and it's safe to do 60, do 60. The slower you do it, the better the outcome. The faster you do it, the harder it is. Do you want the easy version or the hard version?
Easy.
Then do it slowly.
Yeah.
Move out of here for me, please.
Oh no. It doesn't do it very well.
Don't make me laugh. I'm trying to keep a straight face here.
Do it. What?
All
Where
over
am I
the
on today?
Hey?
Where am I on today? Oh, what I'm doing. Where I'm going. Where I've been. Ooh, new birds.
What's your name?
John.
Alright, John. How you doing, John? Johnny boy! Jono! Okay. Oh shit. Stop embarrassing yourself. Trying to move away with the handbrake on. Right then, so, what happened?
I passed it! I passed my test!
You did indeed.
I did it!
Right, look at that camera over there and wave goodbye. Now look at that one up there, wave goodbye. Now look at that one over there, wave goodbye. Now look at that one over there, wave goodbye.